Hello everyone, welcome to VelumX. So now, one of the reasons why we created VelumX was because of the problem we noticed with the entire ecosystem. Um, Take for instance a user who is bridging from Ethereum, and or maybe a Web2 user who actually have been using Bitcoin for a while and then decide to bridge uh, SBTC onto Stack ecosystem. They are met with one barrier, and that is the gas barrier. What we are doing with VelumX is we are taking away that barrier. We are creating a paymaster model that will allow users to use the bridge token. It could be USDCS and it could be XBTC. So we're creating a paymaster for users to be able to pay gas in any SIPO10 tokens without the need for XTS as a gas fee. Now the model, this is how the model works. The user generates a partially sent transaction and then there's a relayer. So it is more like a relayer as a service that calculates the XCS fee and then seamlessly adds a signature, which is then executed on the Stack blockchain. So the user only sees that okay, I have been able to move my USDCS from point A to point B, but they do not understand what is happening behind the scene. So what happened behind the scene is we integrated Stack sponsor transaction. Stacks actually has a native sponsor transaction, unlike the Ethereum where you have to integrate a smart wallet using ERC 4337. With Stacks, you just have to set your sponsorship to true and you're good to go. And we also integrated Stack trades, which enables developers to be able to allow users to pay gas fee in any SIPO10 tokens of their choice. So they can use SBTC, USDCS, Alex token, or any other one on the Stacks blockchain. We are trying to simplify the onboarding process onto Stacks. You know, the world has moved beyond users understanding complex wallet system, backing up seed phrase, keeping a hold of their gas fee to ensure that they are not low on XTS and the volatility of tokens. Have moved a lot of users to keep their tokens in either stable coins or Bitcoin. So despite Bitcoin being volatile, but a lot of users actually trust Bitcoin. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to abstract away the complexity of that to enable them to focus on what matters. Now, we've run quite a number of test nets to test the paymaster to be sure it is working, and I'm going to actually be demonstrating with the DeFi we are actually building. We are building a DeFi that will allow users to also be able to transact without paying gas fees. So let's do a little bit of demonstration. Let's bridge 20 USDCX to Sepolia. So when the user creates an intent, all they need to do is just to sign the transaction. When they sign the transaction, it is sent to the relayer. The relayer handles everything and then confirm the transaction on the blockchain. So the bridge was successful and the funds will arrive in 15 minutes. And you can see the funds have been taken and a little bit of fee, 0.25 USDCX, has been sent to reimburse the relayer wallet. And for developers, they just need to come to the developer console where they just need to sign in with their GitHub or email, and then a relayer auth wallet is created for them. So they don't have to go through the stress of developing a paymaster from scratch. They can just plug in our SDK, which is live on NPM, plug in the SDK, and then they have a working paymaster solution on their DApp or mobile application. Thank you very much for your time.